On this video today, I'm going to show step by step on how to make money
other affiliate
with
networks,
affiliate
but I'm not going to
marketing.
show all of them
This
in this
strategy
video.
requires a
In
small
my case,
amount
I'm
of
using
money,
Digistore24
but the best part is that you can make sales easily. You can get sales. Once you get the sales, the amount that you invest, you can even get more higher returns on that investment. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, so make sure you watch till the end so that you can understand everything. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. As you can see, I am using Digistore24, but if you don't want Digistore24, you can sign up for an account on ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the largest affiliate marketplace where you can find different products to promote. But ClickBank, there are restrictions. Some countries it is not allowed, other countries it is allowed. So if you are from a country where ClickBank is not allowed, don't force yourself to create an account. If you force yourself, find a different way to create an account. You can make the sales and your accounts may be banned when you are about to receive your payment. So if ClickBank is not allowed in your country, it is advisable for you to use Digistore24. It is available worldwide, and there are many other affiliate networks, but I'm not going to show all of them in this video. In my case, I'm using Digistore24. As you can see, I said earlier on, I'm using Digistore24. You can see these are my statistics. Once you log into any affiliate marketplace that you choose, the first thing is that you have to go to the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. On Digistore24, this is the marketplace, and you can see different kind of products that you can promote. You can see this is the product that you can promote. The commission rate is $43. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. You can see the next one is $143. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale. You can see a whole lot of them. But one thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't just promote any product that you like. You have to consider certain factors before you promote a product. For example, you can see this one right here. The commission rate is $43.61, but you can see right here the conversion rate. The conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So you can see this one, the commission rate is $43.61, but the conversion rate is very high. That means if you promote it, you are likely going to make a sale. The next one, you can see the commission rate is very high, $143.48, but when you come to the conversion rate, it is very low, 2%. So when you compare 2% to 24%, you can see this one, although it has a lower commission rate, but the likelihood of you getting sales is very high. This one has high commission rate, but the likelihood of you getting sales is also low. You can see it right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to sort the products. You have to sort them based on the cart conversion rate so that you can find the best product to promote. To sort the products, click right here. Once you click on it, you can see the products are currently sorted based on popularity. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then click on cart conversion. Once you click on the cart conversion, you can see this product has the highest cart conversion rate on Digistore24. You can see it is 49%. So if you promote it to, let's say, 100 people, about 49% of those people are going to make a purchase. It doesn't mean random people, targeted people. So the people who really need it and are qualified to buy the product, not just random people. So you can see it right here. But the commission rate is low, so we are going to continue the search. So scroll down so that you can find a product. When you scroll down, you can see this one right here. It also has a high conversion rate, but the commission rate is extremely low, so we are not going to be promoting this one. But when you come right here, you can see this one is a weight loss supplement. The cart conversion rate is very high. The commission rate is also high, so we can promote a product like this. If you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. You can see this one. The cart conversion rate is 30%. That is also high. You can see the commission rate is also high. So just scroll down and then select any of the products that you want. You can see all these products, they have good conversion rate, and most of them the commission rate is very high, so you can promote any of this. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to promote this product right here. This product, to promote the product, you have to click right here, copy promo link, so that you can get your affiliate link. But if you are new to the product, you can check the sales page of the product before you promote it, so that you can get familiar with the product before you send it to others for them to make a purchase. So what we are going to do is that we are going to click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can see it is a video that your potential buyers are going to watch before they make a purchase. So if they watch the video and it is convincing, they can go ahead and make a purchase for you to earn money. You can see this is the sales page of the product. You can see everything. Now once you have seen the sales page, you can also click on affiliate support page so that you can get resources to promote the product. In this case, we don't need any resources, so just leave it. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. The next step is that you have to find people to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase. So that is where traffic comes in. There are many traffic sources. We have the free traffic source and the paid traffic source. In this case, we are going to use a paid traffic source so that we can get fast results as soon as possible. But if you want, you can also use the free traffic. Later on in another video, I'll show you free traffic methods that you can also use to get sales. The traffic platform that we are going to use to get sales is rapidhits.com. Rapidhits is a traffic network where you can get people to buy your product at a low cost per click. I've already created an account. You can search for it, rapidhits.com. Once you search for it, you can also sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, let me log in to show you step by step on how you can use the platform to advertise the product for you to get money. So now once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. You can see your advertising goal. You have to select the advertising goal that you want. If you want traffic, you can select this. If you want leads and sales, you can select this. In our case, we want traffic. We also want sales. So you can select either this one or the first one. Any of them that you select, it is appropriate. But these three, do not select any of these. You can either select this or this. In this case, I'm going to select leads and sales. So click on it. Once you click on it, you have to scroll down and then select the ad format. You can see they have native, pop under, display. We want push notification, so click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Just give a name to your campaign. So you can give any name that you want. You can use the name of the product or anything that you can remember. So just enter any name that you want right here. Once that is done, you have to enter your affiliate link here. That is the destination URL. This is the link that we want people to click on to purchase the product. So just come back to Digistore24, click on copy promo link. Once you copy your link, come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see title. You have to enter the title of your ad. If you want, you can come back, just copy the title of the product. You can see it right here, or you can type something like weight loss supplement. Weight loss supplement. You can type something like this, weight loss supplement. You can just type something like this, or if you want, you can add a subtitle. Once that is done, you have to enter a message. So come back to Digistore24. Once you come on Digistore24, you can click on sales page so that you can get some information to use on your ad. So you just scroll down. There are some text that you can use. So just scroll down so that you can find some information that you can use on your ad. You can see a whole lot of different information. In this case, I'm just going to copy this. Just highlight and then copy this as your message. It's a simple. You just need some short text. Just paste it. This is a push notification, so the ad network is definitely going to send our ad to people, whether they like it or not. It's going to send it to them and they will view it before they click on it. So just add some simple text here. We are not optimizing for anything. The ad network will automatically send it to people, so just leave it like this. While that is done, you have to enter images of the product right here. So come back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, highlight the name of the product. Just highlight, it has opened a new box, so just highlight the name of the product, highlight it, and then search on Google so that you can find images of the product. Paste it right here. Once you search on Google, you can see this is the supplement. Click on images. Once you click on images, you can see these are all images of the product. Right click on any of the images and then select save images. Once that is done, just save it. You can save as many as you want. Just save as many as you want. Once you have saved the images, the next step is that you have to click right here so that you can upload the icon image. Select any of the images. As you can see, crop it the way you want. So let's crop it this way. Let's crop it this way. Click on crop. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on main image, then select any of the images that you downloaded. Just select any of them that you want, crop it the way you want, click on crop. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, scroll down, you can see this is the cost per click. This is the amount that you are going to pay per every click that you get. So you can leave it at the default, or you can increase or decrease it. It depends on what you want. Once that is done, you can see budget. The first one is even. Just leave it like this. How much are you willing to spend per day? So let's say $2. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the targeting country. Which country are you targeting? So we are going to select any of the tier 1 countries. You can select United Kingdom, United States, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, any of the tier 1 countries that you want, you can select. So in this case, I'm going to select United States. So let me select United States. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, scroll down, you can see browser language. Click on it, enable, and we are going to search for English. We are targeting English speakers, so just search for English. You can see they have include and exclude. So we are going to select include. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have selected your language, you can see it right here. Once you have selected the language, the next step is that you have to click right here, create a campaign. Once you click on it, you can see campaign created. Your campaign has been created. The next step is that you have to deposit funds so that your campaign can start running. You can deposit funds into your accounts using payment methods like Stripe or PayPal. Any of them that you want, you can use it to deposit money into your accounts, and you are going to get people who will click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. You can enter $50. If you come right here, the commission rate is $103.69. So even if you get one sale per the $50 investment, you are still going to be making profit. Assuming you get 2 sales per day, 3 sales per day, 4 sales per day, you are going to be getting a return on your investment. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.